How to create a logo with AI on Canva. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way that you can generate logos with AI on Canva. It could be a good way to create certain designs for your idea creation. So let's just jump right in. Go ahead and open up your web browser and search for canva.com. And you will be asked to log in. So just make sure to log into your free account. Once you have logged in, you can just go ahead and create a design. So click on create, go to design, and from here you can select any kind of pixel or templates. So if you click on more, you'll get some more options here. If you want to enter custom size, you can click on custom size and enter the height and width of your pixel. So let me just go ahead and enter something like 900 by 900 pixel and then click on create a new design. Now it will automatically open up a new design here with the 900 by 900 pixels. So all you have to do now, you just need to find the nav bar at the left side of your screen, scroll down and find the apps. Now all you have to do here is go to the search template or the app option and then click on it. Now search for logo and hit enter. Here you'll find different kind of logo makers. So what you can do is click on any one of them, try out a few of them to see which one you'd like. So I'm going to go with the first one. I don't know about the others, but this right here, I've tried it before. Now click on open. So you could write a simple message and it will generate your design. You click on open. And now all you have to do is just type in your prompt on what kind of logo you want. So here I've written a random prompt. You have a design that's hidden amongst the cloud. So let's see how it does. So it will start creating the logo for you. You're just going to have to wait for a few seconds until the bar is complete. And in some cases, they won't be able to complete your logo. So if there are any simple ideas you could give them, you could do that. So here I have generated a random image. So you could just click on add to design and you should be good to go. So now you can just scale it up. And as you can see, the quality is also very good. So you could just use this logo as it is, or you could give it to your designer, say create something similar. So it's totally up to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.